This beautiful invisible hairline, natural looking hair is made from Brazilian wool. Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made invisible natural hairline from Brazilian wool from the scratch. For this hairstyle you will be needing Brazilian wool as the hair installation, the hair extension, scissor to cut the extension, brush to comb the extension, and crochet for installation, and gel for styling. So for me, this is the easiest way I use to cut my extension. You can try it, it might just work for you. So after I cut the hair, I brush it well and then move to the next step. At this point, my extension is ready. Then I started to braid my natural hair down. Yes, and remember that the hair, it has to be prepped and well set before you start doing the cornrow, because remember you're going to have it for a long time, so the hair has to be prepped well. Yes, at this point the long lasting of your styling depend on you. You might be asking why or how. So if you do small cornrows, the hairstyle will last for long. If the cornrows are big, of course the hairstyle won't last for long, so it will be like loose and then it will get like spoiled so quickly. So after the braiding, I move on to install the extension. Remember how much you add the wool. Still, Brazilian wool never have weight, like weight. In another word, never heavy. Yes. So just for you to know, the smaller the extension added, the tighter it will be. So what I mean, looking at the extension I have a small size. So someone would be like, I need so much hair on my head, so I have to add big extension. So if you add big extension, your extension might not be very tight, and that will also lead to a shortage of wearing, or get loose quickly. So if you want to have your hair last for long, you need to go with a small portions, small sizes. Yes, and you have seen in the video I have just combed the hair, and this step is really important. It helps your extension to look natural from the root. You understand? If you don't comb it like that, of course you remember I comb at the first, but then again at every section, once I'm done installing every section, I comb, because it gives me the chance to comb the extension from its root. I hope that was clear. Coming to the parted line, for you, to close it, I mean that section you see in the video, you will have to insert the hook from section to the other section, just like what you're seeing in the video, then tie it together with extension, just the way you see it in the video. I am going to repeat the same thing again. That will help you to do what? To have a natural flow from behind you. That line will not go all the way to the back. So see it again how I did it. Like I said, you insert the hook from the side, from this section, this side, to the other section. Just to close it with the extension to give you the natural flow. Just focus on the video and you will get what I am saying. Coming to the interesting part of the hairstyling to have that invisible hairline. Here we are. I hold the extension all down to give me the space I want in front, and then I went in to add another extension at the edges, or the last part, or the beginning part of the braid. So then I install the extension again, but this time I cut the extension very short. Yes, very short. That's where the scissor comes handed. Is it handed? Handy. Yeah, it came handy. So after I installed the whole front section, I went in with the got2b styling glue. I guess that's what it is. Yes, but you can use whatever the styling gel, whatever the styling glue you have at your choice. And then I tied the whole thing down for some minutes to just dry and keep the styling in its place. Actually, it's just to lay the hair down and give me the natural flow that I want. And here you can do how you want to do. So with that, my ladies, I have come to the end of the hairstyle, and I hope you like what you have seen and you learn something from it. See you next time.